Hello, my name is Alexis Kane, and today I'm going to be talking to you about sensory marketing. I will be giving you a brief introduction into what it is, some national and local organizations that use it in their marketing strategy, the pros and cons of sensory marketing, and finally, we will end with a video that shows how new technology is changing the way it is implemented in organizations. So let's get started. Sensory marketing is rooted in psychological studies of how our sense of sight, smell, touch, hearing, and taste subconsciously affect the decisions we make. Marketers take this information and use it to design marketing campaigns that appeal to consumers on a subconscious level. It can also be used to design products that not only function, but also provide an experience. Sensory marketing has the ability to bypass the consumer's rational thought process that analyzes a product and tap into the primal part of the brain that makes decisions on basic instinct. The ultimate goal is to create a unique branding experience that customers can emotionally recognize. Now we are going to discuss national and local organizations that use sensory marketing to promote their products. First, I'm going to talk about national organizations. Coca-Cola's brand is all about creating an experience. As you can see, it's one of the first things here on their website. The refreshing taste of Coca-Cola beverages paired with new and rewarding experiences. As you continue to scroll down their website, you'll notice that the Coca-Cola bottles are always covered in condensation. This triggers consumers' sense of taste and creates a craving for the product. Starbucks is built around an idea of community, not just coffee. When you walk into a Starbucks, you are surrounded by music that invites you in, the smell of coffee beans. You see a familiar barista and leave with a high-quality cup of coffee. Starbucks has curated this environment to hit all of the senses, and this is particularly why they are so successful today. Now let's talk about some local organizations. Apple is always innovating new ways to interact with consumers. As you scroll down their website, you'll see an augmented reality section. With augmented reality, Apple is pushing people away from passively watching a screen and allows them to interact with the world in real time, creating a whole new experience. Finally, CNC Marketing Research is a firm in San Francisco that collects and analyzes data that is used to develop marketing strategies. They do research, test data on focus groups, and have test kitchens for food products. Now, we are going to talk about some of the pros and cons of sensory marketing. Some of the advantages are that it helps companies build a unique brand and establish a competitive advantage in the marketplace. It also helps customers build a relationship to products, leading to customer loyalty. It pushes companies to be more innovative and precise in how they promote products to customers. And finally, it leads to more dynamic product designs that focus on a holistic experience. Some disadvantages to sensory marketing is that it can be expensive to implement. For example, it is much cheaper for a perfume company to place a print-only ad in a magazine compared to ads that come with sample scents. Human emotions vary, making it difficult to develop a promotion that appeals to an entire target market. The more you try to appeal to each individual, the harder it is to appeal to the target market as a whole. And finally, it requires a large amount of market research and product testing, which is both expensive and time-consuming. In new technology, virtual reality or VR headsets are changing the way people and machines interact with the world. It allows for new environments to be created and experienced out of thin air. In the future, I think this will be a great way to promote products. For example, instead of watching a car commercial, imagine sitting in the car through a VR headset and being able to look around at the interior. This can connect companies and consumers digitally in a way never seen before. Now let's take a look at a demonstration of a holographic VR headset by Alex Kipman during his TED Talk.
I invite you to experience for the first time anywhere in the world, here on the TED stage, a real-life holographic teleportation between me and my friend, Dr. Jeffrey Norris from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Fingers crossed. Hi, Jeff.
Hey, Alex.
Whew, that worked. How are you doing today, Jeff?
Doing great. I've had an awesome week.
So can you tell us a little bit, Jeff, about where you are?
Well, I'm actually in 3 places. I'm standing in a room across the street, while I'm standing on this stage with you, while I'm standing on Mars, 100 million miles away.
Wow, 100 million miles away. This is crazy.
Here are my references, and that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching.